Good morning, y'all. Well, Florida's being Florida. We've been really, really hot, and now we're getting a crazy amount of rain the past 2 days. This is actually going to be day three where we've gotten rain like this. If you're new here, my name is Nico. My wife, Natalie, will be in this video as well, I'm sure. Egypt is currently at reading camp, and Sahara wanted to go to her preschool with her friends today. Today's supposed to be the big day. Today's the day that our vet was coming around lunchtime, and I'm still optimistic she's going to come, but the way it's pouring down, I doubt you do surgeries out in the rain like this. And even if we had, Esther in the stall, I'm not sure she would do the surgery with the weather being this way. But we're remaining optimistic. We'll see if she comes for the surgery, because of course we want to get this taken care of. We are overwhelmed with all of the selections and options and recommendations y'all gave us for, what we can call subscribers that are a part of our family, which I like that. But I think similar to the goats, what we'll do when we name Mocha and Latte, we'll choose out of the list that y'all gave us and we'll post it. And we'll let y'all be a part of that process. We love to involve everyone as much as possible because we mean it when we say that y'all are on this journey with us and that y'all are a part of the family. So we'll post that sometime this week so that y'all can go ahead and cast your vote. And we'll do it the democratic way, right? Everyone has a voice. And y'all see Frankie out there? That goes against all logic, huh? But I'm telling y'all, anytime it rains, she just stays out there. She doesn't go into her house. And the goslings, I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in close enough, but they're right there by their water. So they're out there as well. Oh, I think here's coming a loud boom. And Mama's just getting home. The cows are out there, making sure they still have their breakfast. And someone asked in the previous video what the sign says behind our porch. So it simply says, the porch, sit and relax. And that's what we do. But y'all hear how it's coming down, so I'm gonna get back in this house. And like my grandma used to say, y'all, she used to say, when it's raining, that was God crying. And you shouldn't be outside and play with him, right? Having that fear. That's your opportunity to sit. Oh, here comes another one. Sit and relax. And she used to make us turn off all electronics. So anytime it was raining, we would have to sit down in the house. No TV, no radio. We have to get a book or something. I'm telling y'all. That's how my grandma raised us, and that's how she believed. We would go to my grandma's every summer. And my grandmother and that side of the family, they're from Arkansas.
All right, y'all, so we have been brushing for about 40 minutes, and this is the progress we've made. Dun, dun, dun. So looking good. We've been using a couple different methods. We've been simply just brushing it with this brush here, and some of the pieces have just been coming out, as you can see on the brush. And then we also been taking our fingers and just kind of finger detangling. You just take the pieces and just separate it. And then the other thing that we've been doing, we have another little brush. Egypt, where's it at? For matting. So then it looks like this. Just taking it, you rake it out, and then the mat just comes off. So like this one right here, well, it's working with Egypt, just separating it. But our whole goal is to make it easier on this big guy. Zuesy. He's so funny. He's been wanting to get in our laps, y'all, and just come. So he's currently sitting like as close as possible on my leg without him being on me. I had to push him off my knee. But yep, and then those pieces just come off. But he's looking good so far, so we're gonna keep going. He's doing great. We've been giving him breaks and then bringing him some snacks because it's all about him. So we want it to be as easy on him as possible.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So Zeus was getting a little restless. So Egypt and I have been taking turns giving him some laps. So she is on her second lap with him. And he's kind of winding down. And for those of you wondering, if you're new to our channel, why we have Zeus on a leash, it's because he will chase those chickens down. And Zeus is really fast, y'all. Egypt's tired. He's wearing you out, E? I'll go next time. But you can see on him which parts we've brushed through and which parts we still gotta go. Hey, buddy. It's like a clear distinction on which parts have been brushed and which parts we still got. So we've gotten through like the top half here. We're starting to work our way through the bottom portion. But yeah, he's been doing great. He's been a trooper. We've been giving him snacks. Not too many though. This part back here where his tail is gonna be a doozy. But you're gonna come out of here a whole new man. He's so handsome.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All right, y'all. So this is about 6 hours later, and our vet, as you maybe could have guessed, did call and ask if she could come tomorrow morning instead, which tomorrow will be July 12th. That's a Wednesday. So we will see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, now everybody's home. As you can see, I have little Pharaoh with me who's just relaxing. He just ate. And I have Sahara and Tucker being Tucker. But yeah. Woo. So let's go check on Mama and Egypt and see how they're doing back here. All right, y'all, there's a lot going on back here. They are in the thick of it. Look at all of this.
With my pants.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all are in the thick of it. But Zeus, you look so good. You trying to smell the baby?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What song is this?
Yeah.
But let's take a little break because we went to the post office and had a package. So I'm gonna sit that package down right there. Y'all see the tools of the trade as they do what they do. But Sahara, come over here with Egypt. Let's open this package.
What's for me?
Let's see.
Let's see if it's Ninja Turtles.
Come sit next to Egypt.
She said, let's see this Ninja Turtle.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So if you're unaware, we do have a P.O. box.
Oh yeah. Oh,
And someone was nice enough to send us this package. So Egypt, Sahara, go ahead and let's pull it out. And what is it, Egypt?
Ninja Turtles.
It's not Ninja Turtles.
I'm going with a flag.
It's a flag. Okay, don't let it touch the ground. We still got to be respectful of a flag.
What flag is it? Do you know which one that is, Egypt?
Do you know what country that is? Or is it a state?
I don't know.
Do you want to phone a friend?
Yeah.
Phone your mom.
We can lay in it in a blanket to go to sleep.
For Frankie.
It's for Frankie.
Well, what state is it?
Australia. Well, Australia's not a state, but
It's a country. I was trying to throw you off.
that was
So-
trying to trick you.
That is an Australian flag, y'all. For Frankie, this package was, y'all, look at this. How do you even sleep like this?
He just ate, babe.
Can you see that? How does one even sleep this way?
Awesome.
So yeah, that's an Australian flag for Frankie. Yeah. Was there a note or a paper or something in the package? Can we see who it was from?
What does it say?
A little something for Frankie from Dandy Mom. Yes. So, want to give a shout out to Dandy Mom. If you go to just about any video, you will
Yes.
see her in the comments. She's an OG to the channel, supporter from just about the beginning. So we really, really, really appreciate you and thank you for this special surprise.
Frankie's gonna be excited.
I think so. I'm gonna go try to hang it now while y'all finish with Zeus. Oh, I just missed a baby yawn. I just missed a baby yawn. It was so cute, y'all. Yeah, you could go back to sleep. I know, I got you. I'm moving. I started walking too slow for him, y'all. He's like, wait, I'm not being rocked right now. So, I have the flag, so excited. We're gonna hang this right now in Frankie's house. I thought about that a little bit. As you can see, I'm babyless. I just took him over there to Mama in Egypt. They're holding him because I'm about to be using a power tool. That's a little bit too loud for his ears, so let's go ahead and take care of this flag in Frankie's house because I promised him I would come back for baby Pharaoh. And as I head over here to do my thing for Frankie there in her house, look at Oreo. You're looking good, Oreo. What if I had treats, man? Huh? What if I had treats? You would be missing out. Frankie was just drumming at the goslings, But Frankie, look what I have here. Look. See this? It's for you. From Dandy Mom. So kind of her. We're about to hang it in your house. But look, they're so happy to see me. I'm not your mama though. Your mama will be over here in a little bit. And even since last video, y'all, they've grown. Look at this. All right, y'all. I'll be back with you shortly. I gotta go hang this gift for Frankie here. Look at that. Yeah, girl. So, you see the American flag? Y'all already know about this map of San Antonio I have. But now, look at that. The Australian flag. It's looking good. I really like it. So, I think I want to put the Australian flag right here. I think that'll look good, y'all. So, let's get to it. All right, have a little bit of a problem. I can't get behind this board, so I'm gonna have to drop the flag a little bit. Now, in case we have any viewers from Australia, I have to drop the flag. It is gonna be lower than the American flag, but that's not out of disrespect to Australia or any US laws. Rightfully so, because of where I live, the US flag should be higher, but I'm not doing it for that reason, you know. Doing it because I have these pieces in my way. Just want to explain myself. I know Australia is an ally, right? And we love our emu. We love Frankie and kangaroos. What else is from there? Is it wallabies? I don't know. Koalas? Alrighty, y'all. Let's take a closer look. Let's pan this camera. Bam! There we go. The Australian flag for Frankie. So Frankie could feel at home away from home. Once again, thank you, Danny's mom. Truly appreciate this flag. I've spoken about in past videos how I really wanted to get an Australian flag for Frankie. And as I go to antique shops and malls and stuff like that, I have been on the lookout for one. So I'm very happy to have this in here. And I'm not sure if this flag is facing the right way. In full transparency, and of course I could have gone to Google, but if I look at this flag, it's brighter on this side than it is on that side. So it gave me the feeling that this was the front. So that's why I hung it that way. Frankie, are you gonna come check out your digs? Come on, Frankie. I think Frankie's more concerned with Zeus. Anytime she sees Zeus, and you see he's all the way over there on the fence line with Mama and Sahara, Frankie is Zeus or Achilles. She loves them both.
All right, y'all. So we just finished Zeus, and he looks pretty good. He looks good. He looks like his dad. But SJ wants to be a part of showing y'all. She's like, can we take him on a walk, Mom? Can we show him while he's walking? But we still have his leash on because there's still some chickens out, even though the sun is setting. And he already saw Tucker and was like, let me go get Tucker. All right. Yeah? You tell everybody hi?
Hi, so we are gonna eat pizza and do juice pilly.
We are going to eat pizza. What kind of pizza? All right, y'all. Here is Zeus looking all handsome. And then there's SJ giving him some loving.
Then we have a still couple of loving.
You look so good, boy. You look good. Look at his beautiful eyes. You can see his eyes now. What is this? You already getting into stuff?
Yeah, he already getting into
But
this stuff.
no more mats.
I'm getting Zeus' tails really small like
And
Achilles.
some people have asked us about his coat. Zeus has a wire coat, so when you look at Achilles, his is more like curled.
And Zeus
But
is
Zeus-
a werewolf.
He's an Irish wolfhound. See Irish wolfhound?
Zeus, wolfhound.
Irish wolfhound.
Wolfhound.
Yeah.
Like Achilles.
No, Achilles is a black Russian terrier.
He looks good in me. Rubbing
He's so
his
fluffy.
belly.
SJ's been rubbing his belly and continues to brush him. Y'all, we're on our walk and the girls are looking like, no, do not put him in here. They're all by the fence. And he's just minding his business, just a walking. But look, he does think he's going in there. So he was walking towards there. Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Ooh, you're running fast, SJ? Ooh, you run so fast, girl. Sahara's hilarious.
And now it's time to put Zeus back in the cage.
It's time to put him back in the cage?
Yeah.
No, not right now. The girl said no.
Yeah.
I think they're just ready to eat. They want some grain. This is his 5th walk since we've been grooming him. We wanted to make sure his needs were put first, and he needs a lot of exercise.
Alrighty, y'all. I may have cheated a little bit. I came over here to fill this food for Frankie, but I had to come say hello to Carol, Mama Goat, and our girl Caramel. We are about to do our evening chores, so they're waiting for some dinner. But everyone is in good spirits, which brings a lot of joy to my heart. And look at Caramel. Where are you trying to get into? There's nothing in there. Yeah, I'm about to feed you. But Caramel's not looking too bad, y'all. She does have an appointment upcoming, so look at that. Look at you. So we're just remaining optimistic, y'all, and we'll update you as soon as possible. Obviously, today, when the vet came to well, Tucker, you did that in one little hop. You are quite the athlete. Oh, Tucker. But, of course, when the vet came today, and look at them. She was going to take a look at Esther and then perform the appropriate procedure. And while she was here, she was going to look at Caramel as well. But, you know, now that's going to be tomorrow, which is Wednesday, right? Right? As much as we wanted to give you an update, as much as we wanted to give you an update in the video you're watching now, most likely that will be in Friday's video. Let me get this food before I get in trouble with Mama, because I said I was going to come back and get Pharaoh so they could keep doing what they're doing. Look at that. All right, while I'm in here, just to get them to kind of be quiet, I'm gonna go ahead and give them their food. This is a full, Tucker, stop. No, come on, Tuck. Leave their food alone, leave Frankie's food alone, okay? So, I'm gonna sit this on the ground. I'm afraid Tucker's gonna knock it over. That's a lot of food. I'm gonna go ahead and walk this way and pour that in there for them. That's a generous portion. Once again, don't y'all go talking about that to the other ones now. Get me in some kind of trouble. I'd appreciate it. And we've had a couple of comments. I want to say some on YouTube and one on Facebook about the stick of shame still being on Carol's head. And yes, it is holding on, and it is holding on well. We use that tape right there, which one of the comments said it looks like a red beret. So, you know, she is a girl, so we had to make sure it was fitting. But yeah, it's not going anywhere, y'all. It's not going anywhere. All right, enjoy dinner, y'all. I'm about to get your food, Bo. You're coming up. We're gonna take care of you, buddy. I promise. Bo, be patient. I'm coming. Look at those handsome fellas waiting for their dinner, and look who's about to walk in the frame. I have your food, girl. Here I come. Have Frankie's food here, and y'all already know the deal. Just gonna sit it on the hook, and she has another 2 to 3 days of food. And you can see she could kind of be wasteful, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. She could kind of be wasteful. If we were not to fill that bucket up, she would clean all this up. So all the waste, she'll eat up off the ground. It'll get nice and clean, and then we'll put more. But since I was already in here to hang her surprise, went ahead and, you know, took care of her. Let me go get Pharaoh before I get in trouble, and we could get to the rest of the chores now. He looks amazing. Mama, yeah, you might have to put that onto Facebook Marketplace as a service you provide. Dog grooming. He looks good. His tail looks good. So
He did good. The main thing was being patient with him because he's a baby.
yeah,
So we took him. We took him for some runs in between. We gave him some snacks, let him play a little bit, and we were patient because
Wow,
it's about him.
so soft.
It is. But
Yeah.
me and Egypt agreed that we're gonna groom him, brush him. It shouldn't have to be a full grooming on Sunday and Wednesdays. So
Okay.
Sunday and Wednesday,
I like
if we
that.
brush him, then it'll keep up good maintenance for him.
Yeah.
But yeah, because his is way easier than Achilles. His just come out.
All right,
Looking
boy.
handsome, buddy.
Let me check you out. Let me see that beautiful face,
see his
them
eyes.
eyes. Oh yeah. Let me get a side profile of you. Okay, Gandalf the Grey.
He's so pretty. He's so big.
Gandalf the Grey. That's a Lord of the Rings, you know.
One of my
Thing.
favorite. Yeah.
If you don't know who that is, that's Gandalf from Lord of the Rings. But of course, his name is Zeus.
So y'all, some people who are new have asked how tall is Zeus, and obviously he's a big dog. But to put it into perspective, babe, how tall are you?
5'11", I'm gonna claim it. It's really like 10, 5'10" and a half, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll round up to 5'11".
All right, Zeus, you gotta give Daddy a hug.
She's trying to tell Tucker to sit. I don't think Tucker.
SJ's
She almost sat.
SJ's trying to train Tucker, y'all. She's like, sit, Tucker, sit.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Zeus, come on. Come on. Oh, boy. Oh, good job. Is he taller than me? I think so.
Yeah, I think he is.
Hey, boy. Hey. Yeah, he's really good. He doesn't want to get down.
No, he doesn't want to get down.
Hey. Hey. Hey, boy.
He's so big. Yeah, you gotta catch him. You know he'll go get a
He's fast,
chicken.
y'all.
He will go get a chicken.
Fast. We gotta catch him. And Zeus is a farm dog through and through, y'all. I don't think he's ever been in public like that, except when he was a puppy.
Yeah.
So for that to be the case, he's doing really good on a leash and collar.
Oh yeah, we don't really. Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing really. I mean, look at this, y'all.
We walked around the yard a bunch of times
And
today.
if I walk with him, he's not gonna pull, he's not fighting it. You see how it can slide through my hands right here, y'all? And he's doing really, I mean, you would think he was a city dog. Yeah, good job, boy. Really well behaved dog.
So handsome.
Him and Achilles, really. Yo, she got Tucker to sit. Good job, Sahara. I missed her saying sit on camera, but after she said it, I looked over there and he sat like a dog. Look at her. You go, girl. You train him up. You're gonna be a real good helper out here one day. I love it. Look at that, y'all. She's so proud too. She looks like she's at a competition.
Yeah.
You know how you show your goat or something, show your pig.
Proud.
That's funny. All right, y'all, we're back in business. As you can see, kept my word. He was asleep, and I think he's about to go back to sleep. But tonight, we actually have 2 animals that we don't have to feed. One of them is going to be the pigs because Esther's having surgery tomorrow. So knowing that she didn't eat yesterday, she didn't eat yesterday because the surgery's supposed to be today. We gave them feed this morning so that they can have something on their bellies. They ate pretty well. And now we're not going to feed them tonight. So she's good for her surgery. And the other animals we're not feeding tonight are the girl goats. And when I say we're not going to feed them, what I mean is we're not going to give them grain. And the reason we're not feeding the girl goats is we want to promote or stimulate them to be goats. So the whole reason we put them out here in this pasture is because it was extremely grown up, especially the weeds under the trees over there. And if they're just sitting around waiting for grain, they're not being goats. They're not foraging. They're not out there making it happen. And that's the diet we want them to have anyway. So we're cutting back on their grain right now. And we want them to rely on what's out there in pasture. And we're thinking about introducing some hay, but we're dialing back their grain right now anyway, because they don't really need that input right now. And we're about to wean the babies anyway. So hopefully that all makes sense. I know I'm talking in goat right now. If none of that made sense, just let me know in the comments. Y'all know we try our hardest to respond or reply. All right, let's walk over here to the pigs. There's nothing in there because I didn't fill it back up. So she's just scrounging around for whatever she could find. Peekaboo. Hi, Esther. I see you. Hi, Leroy. What's up, man? Leroy was just laying down minding his business. So with all that rain today, they were over here earlier under this tarp. So I think they were enjoying them. So hi, Esther. Tomorrow's the big day. Yeah. Now tomorrow's the big day. Leroy, what's up, man? Looking good. Looking good and healthy. All right, y'all. I just wanted to come over to say hi. Have a good night, Esther. We'll see you in the morning. All right. I don't need to side-eye Mike. I'm literally about to grab y'all's food right now. I'm sorry. My bad. Someone left a comment, by the way, of a flower recommendation that we should put in this basket. Big boy. That we should put in this basket. I'm gonna have to go back and see if I could find that. But if you have a recommendation yourself, drop it in the comments for us. And we'll see if our local nursery has some of these options y'all throw out there. We also need to replace the flowers over in front of Graceland. So, hey, we need at least two options. Some to put in front of Graceland, some for right here. And look at Mama walking up on cue. I couldn't remember, and Mama walked up, heard me speaking about it. What was the comment?
Pink petunias.
Pink petunias. Someone said pink petunias would look good right there. And I think it would look really amazing right here next to this crepe
Yeah,
myrtle.
I think so
Yeah.
too. And well, my reply was that it would look nice with the basket since it's like a teal color.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna add, when Neco cuts the grass next, we're gonna add some clippings in here. But then the goal is, yes, to get this back looking green and luscious. It's different though because our other hens fly out. These don't.
Yeah. So put some clippings in here, and that should not only give them a surface besides dirt, something for them to scratch around in, eat some of that, but there's also going to be seeds in there as well. Yeah, big boy. And that should help promote growth in there. So, and we've done it before. And it helped the grass grow right back up. You would never have known chickens were in there. And then they ate it back down. So now we're just going to do it over.
Yeah.
Have some feed for the cows and Bo. Let's go.
Babe, I think the baby carrier is a good look on you. I got it. You eating, buddy?
Hey.
You see WB ready.
You ready?
Pharaoh's like, what is going on?
WB's getting mad, y'all.
Look,
I'm teasing him.
he's not having it.
Here, let me see.
I just stepped in the cow patty
Let me see.
in my sandals.
She stepped in that one, y'all. Look, he's shaking this whole thing because I'm taking too long. And this is why we call him a menace. Oh, he's pushing. Oh.
Whataburger.
He's pushing it.
Stop. Look, it looks like he. You stop it.
You menace.
Cut it out.
Look, watch this, y'all. He pushes it.
He's trying to right now.
We have his food. He's just being impatient. All right, here, Mama. Let me go ahead and pour his food.
Look.
Spoiled. Come on, spoiled baby. Oh, we got to back up for Dandy.
Yeah.
All right, so Dandy's going to get in there and eat, and WB comes to that side. Bam, now everyone's eating. Can y'all see Dandy right there? Oh, she's bold. She said, I'm going to come eat next to WB.
She said, you don't scare me.
She's grown, y'all. Look at him trying to push her out the way. She's really grown, though. In comparison to the other cows, she looks small still, but she's grown. They're just older. Look. He's gonna sleep good, y'all. All right, y'all, I need to go buy some more feed for Zeus. So Mama just poured it in there, and she's about to make sure he can get to it. And that's
be hungry because he had a good bit of snack.
where his food goes. And as you can see right there, he has water.
Yeah, I put him some when I put him back in there.
Now what you about to do, Mom?
Feed my boy.
They're coming, Mama. Half there, half on the other side, so they don't fight.
Yeah.
Or we can minimize their fighting. Well, welcome to the party. Hey there.
You ready to eat? Look, Oreo.
Peanut butter, there's more. Don't let Mike bully you, man. Oreo's eating good, y'all. He's like,
Yeah, he has the most in there.
He just figured out that it's on both sides. And peanut butter's trying to eat from the opposite side. He'll figure it out, though. All right, y'all. Have a good dinner. Oh, and there he goes. Mike, be nice. Walk around them, peanut butter. All right, y'all, just got in the house from finishing all the outdoor chores. We're about to clean up. Look at this mess Sahara made over here, y'all. So we have her cleaning up.
No.
And
we told her to clean up. And she put everything under the kitchen table. It's kind of smart.
So clean all that up and take it to your room. And we'll end it on this note, y'all, because I thought this was really cute. Let me show y'all what Egypt did to Hermione, her rabbit. All right, y'all, so look at this. This is Hermione. And what kind of rabbit is she again?
Angora.
An Angora rabbit. But look at what Egypt put on her, y'all. How cute is that?
It's for a baby alive.
It's for a baby alive doll. If you have children, had young children, have grandchildren right now, especially girls, you know what a baby alive doll is. She put it on her rabbit and it fits perfectly.
Yeah, for now.
There's no choking hazard. There's nothing. You would think that it was made for and we bought it for Armani.
And look how cute she is.
That is so funny. She's a cutie. Oh man. Egypt, people comment on what kind of mama you are and they think that you're a great mama. The way you take care of your chickens, your goslings, and look how pretty you keep Sahara. And look how pretty you keep Hermione. What you gotta say?
Thank you.
That's right.